Herzlich willkommen and welcome to Tomey's booth at ESCRS 2023 in Vienna. The team is here at the world's largest gathering of ophthalmologists to showcase some of the latest Tomey innovations to Europe and the world.
Our philosophy here at Tomey is based on 4 pillars: technology, education, communication and service. So while you are joining us here digitally, we thought we'd take you on a tour of the booth to show you what that means to us.
It all starts with our ophthalmic innovations, and we're fully stocked with the latest in Tomey technology. From the CASIA2 Anterior Segment OCT to our newest perimeter AP4000, we're constantly looking to push the boundaries of possibilities in eye care.
Being on the cutting edge of ophthalmic tech means there's always something new to learn. That's why education is so critical to us for our customers. And from the Tomey Forum to product training to our booth here in Vienna, we are committed to making sure our customers and distributors aren't left in the dark.
Here at Tomey, communication and the Tomey spirit is paramount. Whether in our home office or somewhere around the world at a conference like this, we make sure our users stay informed about what's going on with our products. But communication is a two-way street. We also make sure we stay informed and in tune with our customers, addressing their concerns and using customers' feedback to push our research and design to the next level.
Of course, it all starts and ends with the service. The service are our customers, the doctors that use the devices, and the patients whose lives we seek to change for the better ones, our technology. Just like at our booth here on the ESCRS 2023, we are always on hand to make sure that the Tomey experience is people-centered from the start to the finish.
All this, bundled with our extensive range of instruments and devices, makes Tomey your trusted partner for everything in ophthalmology and optometry. Get it all from one source.
We believe anterior segment OCT plays a major part in the present and future of eye care, and CASIA2 is a definitive one-stop shop solution for a vast variety of clinical applications.
CASIA2 is especially a very ultra-fast OCT technique that we use basically for every patient. And the reason for that is basically because, first of all, it really has higher resolution measurements of the cornea and also of the lens. We also like it because there's such a deep penetration depth. You see the posterior part of the lens. So I think it's really useful to use it for any kind of cataract patient that you have. Of course, when you talk about multifocal premium lenses, we talk EDOF lenses, when we talk about any kind of toric lens, that we would definitely use a CASIA2. The feature that I like the most is basically that it gives you the amount of regular astigmatism and irregular astigmatism. So especially when you have a patient who has not this perfect bow tie in the topography or tomography, then the CASIA will basically be the only device on the market, to my knowledge, that will tell you what kind of astigmatism you could correct for this one patient. And the second thing that I use quite a lot is the tilt measurement. The tilt of the lens, and to know that kind of tilt will definitely help you to improve your eye power calculation and to get better results afterwards.
The CASIA2 has a very high precision, especially because it's integrated with the OA-2000. So in one measurement, you can do 3 very precise biometry, because you can use a lot of formulas, and you can use especially the posterior cornea, so it's even more precise than other instruments. And it's very useful because being the Oculix integrated in the CASIA2, you can see especially cases of irregular corneas like keratoconus, or especially in patients post-refractive or post-radial keratectomy. So the results are very, very precise with the Oculix formula. And in the preoperative cases, the CASIA2 has the way to to measure also the formula for the ICL, because with the Nakamura formula you can have a better bolting, because the Nakamura formula sees also the lens rising and not only the white to white, which is the main problem of the bolting of the ICL, because you can have a higher bolting or a lower bolting. So as a complication with the Nakamura formula, you can have a very better results. And also in the postoperative you can see the tilting, the only instrument that can quantify the tilting of an IOL, because of in special cases you can have decentration or tilting, which can increase the eye order aberrations.
In the artificial eye sector, we see a movement from the analog to the digital world. With our CASIA, we will have one and only system that is needed to bring all the data that we need to create a digital printed eye. Theoretically, if the printer is local, within 1 day, the artificial eye will be finished. And in the analog world, it takes about 8 to 6 weeks. That is a major advantage of the digital process.
As technology pushes eye care into the next generation, the need for accuracy and reliability across an increasing number of fine measurements is getting more pressing by the day. This is where Tomey's OA-2000 Optical Biometer comes in.
It's in the OA easy to use to get a wide range of measurements. So we have actual length measurement, ACD, lens thickness, all we need for IOL calculation. Especially with our used light source, we are able to calculate or to measure even the dense cataract.
And finally, we have the AP4000 Automated Perimeter, the latest update to Tomey's classical visual field testing line. So the new AP4000 gains a large screen on the side, which making reviewing the test reports very convenient for the user of the device. All the light sources of the AP4000 are LEDs, which are maintenance-free. The user interface is very intuitive, so easy to use. It guides the operator through the exams, and it has some clever features like an audio guide, like a tri-lens calculation. So the display can be turned to night mode or privacy mode by using a really great autofocus eye tracking camera, and by the means of artificial intelligence, the fixation is monitored. So for making the visual field test at the end more quick and more reliable. So we believe by using our new developed threshold algorithm, we can reduce the test time to a minimum, and which benefits to a really more reliable test result and happier patient.
At Tomey, our products pave the way for everything we do. Making an impact on the lives of eye care patients and professionals is our core mission. And every product in our portfolio is a reflection of our commitment to a world with better vision. For more, visit the Tomey website or get in touch with a Tomey representative today.